Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are reporting to you from Toyota's Ravindu showroom here in Yashwantpur area of Bangalore. And as promised, we are going to test drive the all-new Innova Krista. Luxury meets power. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our demo car. Going to be with us in this test drive is Mr. Bhanu Prakash and our driver for the day, Mr. Kempe Gowda. And he shares a very interesting name along with the Kempe Gowda International Airport. So, hello Mr. Kempe Gowda.
Hi sir.
मेरा नाम आशीष है और आज आप हम लोग को टेस्ट ड्राइव देने वाले हैं इनोवा का, नया इनोवा गाड़ी का। तो जैसे जैसे आप टेस्ट ड्राइव दे रहे हैं हमको थोड़ा थोड़ा बताते भी जाओ इसके बारे में। Right. So, before we begin this test drive, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit about this unique car. If Mr. Bhanu Prakash, you can just tell us about the features of this car.
Yeah, Mr. Ashish, very good evening.
Good evening.
And welcome to Ravindu Toyota for the Innova Krista test drive. So probably here we are taking a short test drive for the Innova Krista, wherein you'll be, I can explain you all the features of the vehicle, and moreover you can see the outlooks of the vehicles also.
Okay.
And probably here the top end version, we call it as the Z version.
Okay.
So the Z variant comes with the completely fully loaded features like the inbuilt infotainment system, auto climate control system, and you find the wooden garnish on the dashboard.
Right.
So you find the four-spoke the steering wheel, and for the better pickup and to cruise on the highways and all, you find the power mode, and if you're driving the vehicle in the city limits, you can switch it on to the eco mode, wherein you can get better good mileage in the city limits.
Right.
So here you got both the front passenger and the rear passengers. For both of them you got the dual zone AC, wherein they can control the temperature of the room cabin, also the car cabin. So here you can control the auto climate control at the back also.
Okay.
So according to the convenience of the passengers who are traveling at the back.
Great.
So here in the top end version you get all the leather seating upholstery with the dual tone interiors, and moreover you can find the auto transmission where we are driving the auto mode.
Right.
And here you got the 6-speed auto transmission. So 6-speed auto transmission you can drive in the drive mode, and even if you are willing to drive the vehicle in the manual mode also, you can just shift it into the sequential mode and plus or minus according to the speed you want to cruise it.
Awesome.
So at the back also you got the blue illumination lights.
Okay. I can see that. Yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the blue illumination lights, wherein you can control that lights also. You can brighten it and you can darken it also.
Oh, great.
Both in the front and the rear also. And the left hand side at the rear seat, the we call it as the Raja seat, or you can call it as the owner seat also.
Okay.
Wherein if you want to if you want to expand your legs, or if you want to stretch your legs, and if you want more leg room, so you can, at the back itself you can just lift up the lever which is there in the seats, and you can just push it up in the front.
Oh, great.
So we got all these features, and moreover you got the one touch tumble down seats also.
Okay. So can you see that in action?
Yeah, we can see that in action. But once we park the vehicle, I can show you the
Awesome.
Yeah.
Great. So आप बताइए केम्पे गौड़ा जी, आप कितने टाइम से गाड़ियाँ चला रहे हैं?
सुबह से सर।
और लाइफ में कितने टाइम से गाड़ियाँ चला रहे हैं? कितने साल हो गए?
15 ईयर्स हो गए सर।
अच्छा, 15 ईयर्स में से आपका फेवरेट गाड़ी कौन सा है?
टोयोटा का सर।
टोयोटा? सच्ची बताओ मैंने।
पहले एम्बेसडर,
हाँ,
आज टोयोटा।
टोयोटा। अच्छा, क्यों टोयोटा में क्या खास है ऐसा? नया इनोवा के बारे में आपका क्या खास है इसमें ऐसा?
गाड़ी अच्छा है सर।
हाँ,
गाड़ी लग्जरी है।
हाँ,
चलाने के लिए अच्छा है।
अच्छा, तो खरीद रहे कभी हो?
हाँ,
कभी खरीद रहे हो? So coming to the quick question, Mr. Bhanu Prakash, money, how much do we need to shell out? How much will our wallets be lighter
Yeah,
by?
here you got 7 variants in the diesel version.
Okay.
The price range starts from 17.5 lakhs to 26.27 lakhs.
Okay, quite a big range.
Yeah, quite a big range, and each and every variant has got its own features and the specifications also. Whereas each and every variant has got 2.4 liter with the manual transmission, and the auto transmission comes with the 2.8 liter engine.
Okay.
So 2.4 liter engine has got 149 PS of horsepower, and the 2.8 liter engine which comes with the auto transmission, it has got 174 PS of horsepower.
Okay.
So you got,
Pretty powerful vehicle. Nothing
pretty
to
powerful
complain.
vehicle, and it is you got the more power apparent to the Fortuner also, the Toyota Fortuner.
Right.
Whereas that huge vehicle has got 3 liter engine with 171 PS of horsepower.
Okay.
And as per the ARI certification, the auto transmission vehicle they are certifying around 14.29 kilometers, and if it are coming up to the manual transmission, the mileage will be somewhere around 15.1.
Okay.
So
And is it available in both petrol and diesel, or is it only
petrol version comes with 2.7 liter engine, Mr. Ashish.
Okay. Okay. Great.
It's a 2.7 liter engine with 167 PS of horsepower.
Oh.
And yet still we have not received the petrol versions.
Right.
Another span of time, around 3 to 4 months period, we will be receiving the
All right.
petrol engine
So
also.
why don't we just park the vehicle now, Mr. Bhanu? And what we could do is switch seats and also test out a few other features.
Sure.
Right. So now we are in the owner's seat, as Mr. Bhanu Prakash called it. And why don't you show us, sir, what you were talking about?
Yeah, at the rear passenger comfort, you can find out the tray also, which is equipped at the front rear seats.
Oh wow.
So if you're traveling for a long distance, you can keep your tab or iPad, or you can,
And
if you're
remind
traveling
yourself
with
that
your
you're
family,
now traveling like aircraft
exactly,
flyer.
it gives you the same feel.
Right.
So you find as if you're sitting in a cabin, in your office cabin. So, and moreover, you can find the tumble down seats over here. So you and if your family members are traveling you're cruising for a long distance, so it's a one touch tumble down. Just pull it up.
Wow.
So it will be
Awesome.
easy entry.
Awesome.
So even the passengers at the back also,
Right.
3 passengers can easily accommodate at the back.
Okay.
So
Great.
probably even at the back also, we have got one pull space up.
Okay.
I can show you at the back when you come at the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
And both the sides at the rear cabin, you have got the reading light also at the
Both
the
sides. Right.
ends. Okay. And you have got the auto climate control for the rear passengers also over here. And you can control the blue illumination lights, that is you can brighten it up and you can dim it up also. And moreover, you have got the iPod holder, and you have got the USB port over here and with the aux in. And at the back also for the rear passengers, you have got the USB port over here.
Okay.
Okay. And you have got the bottle holders, 2 bottle holders over here. So these are the 2 bottle holders you can find over here.
Okay.
Totally the vehicle has got 20 bottle holders.
Wow. 20 bottle holders.
20 bottle
That's a
holders.
fun fact, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know of any other car which has 20 bottle holders.
not
There's
at all, not
not
at
even a tempo or a bus will have 20 bottle holders.
Exactly. And moreover, you can see at the front also, we have given the chilled glove box over here.
Okay.
So you can keep 1 liter bottle of 3 numbers.
Wow.
And-
And it's a chiller.
It's a chiller.
Wow.
And here you got the normal glove box.
Great.
Normal glove box. And in the dashboard, we have given you the cup holders also. So if you are keeping any cool drinks or water bottles in here, so it will be right in front of the AC vents.
So basically,
So-
once I buy this car, I don't need to buy a house. I can live my life in this car.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Regular visits to Starbucks and regular visits to the fuel station. That's it.
And I can explain you at the back also.
Sure. Let's come.
As I told you, Ashish, here we got the center person headrest also. So if any person is traveling in the rear. I mean, three persons. You can attach the headrest, or else if you want to fold the seats, you can remove the headrest, and you've got the side plugging also over here. Just fire it up.
Oh, great.
You have to plug it over there, and you can tumble down the seats also. And here you call it as one pull spacer.
Wow.
So it will be very easy for you to open up the seats, and has the hook at the back.
Right. So is there a 7-seater model also available like the previous Innova, or?
Yeah, you got both 7-seater and 8-seater over here, wherein the top end version comes only in the 7-seater. Both you got the 2.4 liter engine and 2.8 liter engine.
Okay.
So both of them comes with the 7-seater option, and going for the 2.8 liter engine, you will be getting the dual tone interiors, that is the brown and the black interiors, that is the
Great.
seat covers. The
So
leather seat
before I
covers.
get onto the driving side, let me just take one good look at the entire car from the front view, because this, ladies and gentlemen, is the car to watch out for. The new Toyota Innova Crista, I beg your pardon. And let's just take a ride of this very, very beautiful car. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my time to take a test drive of the all-new Toyota Innova Crista. And here goes. There is a push button to start the engine. And I'm going to just do the honors this way. There we go. And as we are driving the automatic variant, I'm going to turn to the drive mode, pull down the handbrake, and zoom off. I think Mr. Bhanu is not wearing his seatbelt, so we'll wait for that. Pretty smart car that way. And Mr. Bhanu, you'll have to guide me with the directions, because
Yeah, I'll guide you. So go straight and you can take a left, or else here itself you can take a left in the front.
I'll do that, I think.
Yeah.
It looks like a traffic junction.
Yeah.
So very, very smooth steering, I must say.
Yeah,
Doesn't
even,
really
even,
feel
even in the
like-
cornering also, you will not find so much of difficulty.
Awesome, smooth
And
steering controls.
driving such a big vehicle, you won't feel that you are driving such a big vehicle. You feel as if you are driving a smaller vehicle only.
Right, totally. So we'll take another left here.
Yeah.
Just watch out for the under construction road. But as sitting on the driver's seat, I actually feel like I'm, flying in the air, because it's so smooth and so convenient that I've been very used to driving hatchbacks and sedans, and not really a big, I've not gone for too many long drives in a SUV or an Innova that way, because it's always the driver who takes the mantle. But I can clearly see that this is going to be my dream car right now, Mr. Bhanu. So after this video, we are going to go to your showroom and strike a good deal. If you can give me a good discount, I'm going to upgrade my Cross to an Innova Crista. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, one car that you must watch out for is exactly this one, because of the features that it has, and also because Toyota's trusted brand name of customer loyalty, satisfaction, maintenance, fuel efficiency, and of course the comfort of being in the driver's seat of such a very beautiful, luxurious vehicle. I must say, and congratulate rather, the team at Innova and Ravindu Toyota, including Mr. Bhanu Prakash and Mr. Kempe Gowda, who are with us today, and thank them for this wonderful experience of test driving the all-new Toyota Innova Crista. From everyone here at Deadlines Tonight, this is Ashish Vaswani signing off. Don't just watch the news, be it.